Okay, so once again, good day, everyone. So for today, we're going to have a discussion about facility location. So in business, no, why do we need to consider facility location? No? The location strategy and its importance, no? The factors influencing plant location, the globalization, and location selection method. No? The decision to choose a facility location, of course, is important, no, for any business because it directly impacts, no, operational efficiency, cost structure, and customer satisfaction. So it means to say that a strategic location ensures proximity to raw materials. Dapat ganun, no? Hindi lang dapat ay customers but even the availability of the raw materials, yung labors, yung suppliers ng mga products and your customers at the same time. No? Kasi parang before ang major concern lang natin is sa location is yung maraming tao, no? But as we of course open a business or we need to look into also the your suppliers, no? Your materials, no? Your labor, no? Because it is significantly reduced transportation and logistic cost, right? So it affects, no, access, no, to skilled worker or workforce and local market demand, influencing business success, no, in the long run. Facility location plays a key role in companies' ability to respond, no, to changes in market conditions such as shifts in demand, the economic fluctuations, no, or the new regulatory requirements, no. So, alam mo naman, no, in every locality, no, merong silang mga other, no, regulatory requirements. So a poor location choice, no, could lead to increased operating costs, no, supply chain disruption, and it can reduce competitiveness. Therefore, investing time and resources into selecting the right location is important to achieving sustainable growth. So from an operational standpoint, no, facility location also impacts inventory management and production lead times. No? So a well-placed facility can reduce delays, it can ensure timely delivery of goods, and it can improve overall customer service. So this makes the location design and location decisions an integral part of a long-term business strategy. So why is it important, no, that or what will be the importance of a location strategy? Okay, so location strategy, of course, refers to the process or identifying the optimal location for a facility, no, based on business objectives and operational requirements. So the strategy is vital because it influences numerous aspects of a business, such as cost efficiency, market reach, labor availability, and the ability to scale operations. So a strong location strategy can give companies a competitive edge, no, by minimizing cost and maximizing access to essential resources. So choosing the right location requires a thorough analysis of factors such as proximity to market, as I mentioned, no, suppliers, labor availability, and infrastructure. So business also need to consider government policies, no, yung mga tax regulations, and the availability of incentives, which can vary from region to region. A good location strategy balances all these factors while aligning with the organization's long-term growth plan. So a successful location strategy can also reduce risk associated with changes in the business environment, such as regulatory shifts, labor disputes, or natural disasters. So companies with flexible, no, well thought out location strategies are better positioned, no, to adapt to these changes without significantly impacting operations. So what will be the factors, no, influencing plant location? Several factors influence the decision on plant location, ranging from economic and environmental to social and legal considerations. So the availability of raw materials is one of the most critical factors as plants need to close to suppliers to minimize transportation costs and ensure a steady supply. So proximity to customer is equally important as it allows business to respond quickly to market demand and reduce shipping time. Okay? So, labor availability and cost also play a significant role in plant location because businesses need to ensure that the local workforce possesses the necessary skills and that wage rates align, no, with their cost structure. In some cases, companies may prioritize areas with lower labor costs to maintain competitive pricing. Other factors, no, syempre, we need to include the quality of infrastructure, no, including yung transportation network, utilities, and communication systems. So companies must consider local government regulations, taxes, and incentives as this can significantly impact operating costs. Now, environmental factors such as the climate and the likelihood of natural disasters also need to be taken into account when deciding on allocation. Now, why do we need also to tackle about the globalization? We need to accept the fact that right now, no, globalization has transformed the way companies select facility locations, allowing businesses to consider international sites as part of their strategy. So the global reach of supply chains, no, labor markets, and customer bases has made it easier, no, for companies to choose location based on a variety of factors, no, including cost efficiency and proximity to emerging markets. Let's say, for example, no, many manufacturers have set up facilities in countries with lower labor costs, no, to maintain competitive pricing in a global market. However, globalization also introduces new complexities. Siyempre, businesses must navigate different legal systems, trade agreements, no, and cultural differences, no, which can influence everything from operational processes, no, to marketing strategies. Additionally, no, geopolitical risk, no, and currency fluctuation can affect the profitability of international facilities. No. Therefore, companies need to weigh the benefits of lower cost against potential risk when choosing global locations because again, globalization has also led to increased competition as companies can grow, operate across multiple regions and markets. So for us to remain competitive, the businesses must continuously assess their facility location to ensure that they are optimizing cost, efficiency, and market access in the context of globalized economy. How about the location selection method? There are several methods that businesses use to select the most appropriate facility location. And one common approach is the cost, profit, volume analysis, where companies evaluate various locations based on their fixed and variable costs and forecasted revenues. No? And this method helps businesses identify locations where they can achieve the best balance between cost and profitability. Another method, as far as I remember, is the factor rating system, no? Where decision makers now rank different location options based on key factors such as labor availability, proximity to market, transportation infrastructure, and local regulation. So each factor is given a weight based on its importance, and location are scored accordingly. No, so the location with the highest score is usually selected. Another method, no, is center of gravity method, which is used when businesses need to minimize transportation costs. Now, this method identifies a central location that minimizes the distance between suppliers, manufacturing facilities, and customers. So this approach is particularly useful to companies with complex supply chain or those that distribute, no, products to multiple regions. So I think in combining various selection methods, businesses can make a more informed decision about where to locate their facilities. So, in addition to operational efficiency, facility location has broader implication for business sustainability and competitiveness. For instance, no, being close to key suppliers can enhance the agility of the supply chain, especially in industries where lead time are critical, such as yung katulad ng mga automotive manufacturing electronics, no? In service-oriented business naman po, like retail or healthcare, no? Location directly impacts accessibility customers, which influences foot traffic and service delivery times, no? Siyempre, we need also to consider the type of business na, na ipuput up natin. So, because, again, sabi ko nga kanina, choosing the right facility location can have long-term financial benefits. No? Pero pag halimbawa natin real estate and labor cost, no, significantly from one location to another, and well-chosen location can reduce overhead cost, no, and improve profitability. Let's say, for example, no, setting up a facility in the area with favorable tax laws or lower property prices can save a company substantial amounts over time. Similarly, certain regions offer economic development incentives such as tax credits, no? May mga grants, na may mga subsidies to attract businesses, making these locations more attractive to investment. So moreover, facility location is often closely linked to a company's branding and corporate image. No? So locating a facility in an area known for sustainability or syempre yung technological innovation. It can boost the brand's image. No? It can attract environmental consciousness, conscious consumers and even facilitate partnership with other local and similar industries. Di po ba? Okay? I think our presenter are now ready, no?